So we're fishing, but we're fishing for seagulls.
Watch the kelp now.
Look at it. The thing's just going after it.
Swallowed a lot of water.
So this thing bit on Darren's hook and freaking ended up catching a seagull and unhooked it and saved its life.
Hooked in his beak and in his foot, the stupid bugger. Are you gonna fly, or I don't want to put you in the water if you're just gonna sink?
I put it upside down to get the water out of its lungs.
Yeah, relax. Okay.
Like let it drain out of the mouth, like upside down. Yeah.
Gotcha.
There you go. There you go.
He's like, oh, the world. Couldn't just let him die.
Yeah.
Hey, how you feeling? Gonna live? I think he's gonna live now.
I think so.
It's okay. You won't do that again. Should I let you go, or you want to rest on the nose of the boat for a little while?
Yeah, maybe that's a good idea.
Let's put him on the nose. You can be our mascot. What's your name there, buddy? There you go. You decide what you want to do, mister. That's it. I'm calling this thing the flying or the swimming seagull.
How you doing there, buddy? You gonna live? I know, it's traumatic, isn't it? Yeah, you're.
Hey, get it pointed back out again.
Huh?
Get it pointed back out again.
Part 3. He's still chilling out. How's the water in your lungs? You got your legs open and chilling out?
It's like trying to fly himself. What up? Oh, look at them all! You get that on video?
Yep.
We're one of the herd. Oh, they went down. Oh, look, he's right there. Hi, guys! They're playing in the lake.